The Boeing E4B is one of the most recognisable aircraft of our skies, but very few people know what its actual purpose is. So today I'm going to be covering that. The official title given to the aircraft by the US government is a National Airborne Operations Centre. But in more simple terms, it is known as a flying office for the US Secretary of Defence. It is easily one of the most technologically advanced aircraft in the world and has 42 different communication systems. This enables the aircraft to be able to connect with anyone, anywhere in the world, which is absolutely amazing. The aircraft was introduced into the US Air Force 42 years ago in 1980. At the time of recording, there are still currently 4 E4Bs in operation in the US. The aircraft can sit up to 112 people, which sadly we weren't able to see today, as for obvious reasons we weren't allowed inside. But no matter what, there will always be one of the E4Bs on high alert, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The aircraft is also one of the most expensive in the world, coming in at a staggering $223 million. But this aircraft is also commonly known for following Air Force One whenever the President is flying on it. This is obviously due to technological security, which is pretty obvious. You will also notice the armed police around the aircraft. This is obviously because of how valuable the aircraft is, and if anyone went near it, I don't really want to know what would have happened. But at the end of the day, let's just appreciate what an engineering marvel this aircraft is, and how amazing it is in general. There really is nothing like it. So, have you guys ever seen the E4B? Let me know in the comments below. That's the end of today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!